Hello, all. Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will solve a previous year numerical problem which is related to average. So, let us see what the problem is. So, the problem is given in the left hand side, and we will have our questions in the right hand side. So, the problem is not a exact textual in not in exact textual format, but it is also a case based problem. So it mentions that players are selected for judo based on their body weights from the following 10 weight groups. So 10 weights group are given, and from each weight group, one player has been selected, right? As per the problem. So first group was 48 kg to 52 kg. Second group was 52 kg to 56 kg. Third group was 56 kg to 60 kg. Fourth group was 60 kg to 64 kg. Fifth group was 64 kg to 68 kg. Sixth group was 68 kg to 72 kg. Seventh group was 72 kg to 76 kg. Eighth group was 76 kg to 80 kg. Ninth group was 80 kg to 84 kg. And 10th group was 84 kg to 88 kg. So the question is that, or the information whatever is given in the question is that from this 10 age group where the range is given, one player from each age group is selected, and that's how 10 players has been selected for judo competition, right? So we have to answer the questions based on this information. So the first question is, the average weight of players after selecting one player from each group is 68 kg. So overall, the average weight of players of 10 players, average weight of 10 players comes out to be 68 kg. If one of the player whose name is S leaves the team, their average weight comes down to 66.5 kg. Obviously, if you um, remove one player from the group, so there will be 9 players, right? And average weight of 9 player comes down to 66.5 kg. So what will be the question is, player S is from which weight group? Okay, so 4 options are given. So let us see how we can solve it. So since 68 kg is the average of 10 players, so we need to find out what is the total weight of 10 players. So given the average, we can find out the total weight of this 10 players. So total weight of 10 players will be 68, that is the average, into 10 players, and 680 kg. So total weight, this is the total weight of 10 players. Now, since one player S is removed or left the team, so new weight will be, new average is given 66.5 kg, and there are only 9 players left. So our total weight in that case will be 66.5 into 9 equal to 598.5 kg. Okay. Now, given this, so we have total weight of 10 players, and in the second case, we have total weight of 9 players. So the one player, so if we subtract this from this, so total weight, if we subtract total weight of 9 players from total weight of 10 players, we'll get the weight of S who left the group, who left the team. So weight of S will be total weight minus new total weight, which is 680 minus 598.5, which is 81.5 kg. So weight of S is 81.5 kg. Now 81.5 kg will belong to which group? Given this, 81.5 kg will belong to group. You can see that 81.5 kg will belong to this group, group 9. Because all other group will the range in all other groups are either less or more. So 81.5 will come between 80 and 84. That's why S will belong to this group 9. So our answer will be 9, right? So let us move to next problem. Yes, so player S belongs to 9. Let us move to next problem. The next question is, if S leaves the group and two new players join the group, their average weight increases to 68 kg. So these players cannot be, okay? Not, you have to find that these two players does not belong to which group, given this four options. Now, if S leaves the groups and two new players joins the group, so total player will be 11, because there were initially 10 players in the team. One player left and two players joined. So given this, 10 minus 10 plus 2, 12, minus 1, so there will be 11 players. So we have to find out total weight of 11 players. Okay, so the total weight of 11 players is given as 68 kg. The average weight of 11 players is given as 68 kg. So we want to know what is the average weight of this 11 players. Average weight is given. We want to know what is the total weight of this 11 players. So 68 into average into number of players, that is 68 into 11, 748 will be new total weight after S left and two other players join. Right? We already know that total weight of 10 people, okay, when when there were 9 people, when after S left, the total weight after S left was 598.5 kg. So if we subtract this 598.5, okay, if we subtract this 598.5 from 748, we will get total weight of two players who joined later. Right? So after S left, two new players joined, and if we subtract weight of 11 players minus weight of 9 players, we will get total weight of two players, which is 149.5 kg, who joined later. Right? Now we have to find out this two player won't be part of which group, right? So simply we will just find out the average total weight of two player is this. So we will just find out the average of their weight. So just dividing 149 by 145, 9.5 by 2 will give us the average. So it will be nearly comes down as 74.75. So the average weight of this two player will be 74.75. Now, as per the given condition, two players cannot belong to the same group, right? So because from each group we have selected one player. So even if their average weight comes out to be 74.75, which should belong to this seventh group, but they cannot belong to the seventh group, because if one belong to this group, other has to the second player must belong to this group to maintain this average, right? So one has to be from a higher group, from this group, and one has to be from this lower weight group, so that both when we will get the average will get this. Okay, because no two players cannot belong to the same group. So given all the options, both player cannot belong to group 7, although the average is coming out 74.75, which will fall in group 7, but two players cannot be from the same group as per the question given. Okay, so to get to arrive at this average, one has to be at a higher group, higher range of weight, and one must belong to the lower range weight group, so that they will so that when we will find out average will comes out to be 74.75, which will be seventh group. So both players cannot belong to seven group is the right answer here, right? So next, move to the next problem. What is the average weight of all the players taken together? So given that 10 players initial condition, so it is already mentioned in the first question that average weight of all the players from selecting one player from each group is 68 kg. So for this you don't need to find out anything because it is already mentioned in the question. So 68 kg you can write. Next question is, in the average of all the groups together, which group contributes most in overall average? So it is very easy, right? So for finding out average of each group, we will just take the midpoint, right? And from the observation, you can see if you take midpoint like 48 plus 52 by 2, which is 100 by 2, is 50, right? For first group. For second group, it is 52 plus 56, because average will give you the midpoint here will give you the average 8108 by 2, which is 54. So in this way you can see that the midpoint will keep increasing and it will be highest for this 10th group. Okay, so the maximum contribution in the average, when you will take average of all these four group, when we will take when we will you will consider midpoint of all this group, it will the 10th group, which is highest in weight range, will give you will contribute maximum in the average, will have maximum portion or maximum part in the average. So obviously the answer will be 10th because it is the highest group, highest weight group. So its contribution will also be highest in the while calculating the average. So answer will be group 10, right? Next we'll move to the next problem. If one of the two new players, that is based on question 2, where two new players have joined, right? Referring to question number 2, so if one of the new two players is from group 4, which group the other player is from? So that there we determined that both players cannot be from group 7 because their average is coming 74.75, which falls in group 7. So both of them cannot be from group 7. Now here it is mentioned that one of them is from group 4. Then other player must be from which group? So the weight of one player from group 4, okay, if we take the midpoint, if we go by the midpoint calculation, so if one player belong to group 4, that means his weight can be, okay, considering midpoint formula, his weight can be 62 kg, that is 60 plus 64 by 2, which is, yeah, so this is the midpoint. So we can assume that this is his weight of the first player who belongs to group 4. So 62 kg is the weight of the player who belong to group 4. So if 62 kg is the weight of one player, then it's very easy to find out what is the weight of other player, because we already got that the sum of weight of two new players were 149.5 kg, right? Sum of weights of two players who joined later was 149.5 kg. So referring to that problem, referring to that question, since combined weight of two players was 149.5 kg, if you subtract one player's weight from this sum total, you will get the weight of second player or other player, which is 87.5 kg. And 87.5 kg falls in group 10, right? So just you have to subtract one player's weight who belongs to group 4 from the total weight of sum total of two players weight, uh, and you will get 87.5 kg which belongs to group 10. Okay, so this is how, this is a previous year's problem, and this is how you can solve problem related to average. Okay, so in the coming videos, coming lectures, we will solve more numericals of previous year's question. So just stay back with me. Thank you very much.